Alright, so it's Ricky Purge back at it again. I'll show you the code real quick. So the fuel cap has been replaced, but still giving us the code. Alright, so what we're gonna do is replace the purge solenoid, which is located right here. All you have to do is loosen this 10mm bolt or with the Phillips screwdriver, pull it out. And there's two hooks right here. Just go ahead and unhook it. As you can see on this one, it only has one because the other one broke off. There's that one. After that, just go ahead and wiggle it, pull it this way. Just go ahead and pull it out. And once you have it out, there's a Phillips screwdriver holding it. As you can see right there. I already replaced it with the new one. Alright, just go ahead and put it back. Put it back. Gonna clip this to one right there, one right here. Make sure it's holding. Back the electrical connection. In. Goes here. Make sure it clicks. Gonna hook that one up. Make sure that one clicks. This one goes right here. Sure goes nice and flat all the way in. Just gonna put the clamp, this lock in. This hose is gonna go there. This other one is gonna go in here. Put the lock back on. Just gonna put this back on. Goes in there. Alright, just gonna tighten this 10mm, and if you loosen this or you remove it, just go ahead and tighten that one too. Alright, let's go ahead and tighten those two. Let's put this back in. back in. Just gonna put this hose back in here. Let's make sure it's back in all the way. This came loose. Just gonna put it back in. But before you replace that purge, go ahead and check all your hoses. Make sure it doesn't have any crack. As you can see, it's still in good shape. No cracks on it. Alright, just gonna put it back in. Alright, so make sure you check all the condition of all the hoses first. Inspect them. Just go down and plug them. Inspect it. Remove this little hose. Move the clip from right here. That little lock right there. Inspect all the hoses. Inspect this one. It's right in here. Everything looks in good condition. Alright, let's go and run the car. So it's due for a smog, but due to the check engine light, it's not ready. Alright, let's go run the car. So if you don't have an OBD2 scanner, just go ahead and disconnect your negative terminal for 2 minutes so you can reset the monitors, the check engine light. Alright, let's go ahead and remove this. Alright, so the size for this is a 10mm. Alright, so we testing the car. So all those X's that are red, they have to go green. As you can see the check mark right there. So once those are checked, it'll be ready for smog. Alright, just keep on driving the car.